This driveway's all broken up because there was poor drainage. There was water along the side lot and the side of this driveway, and nobody did anything about it. Matter of fact, what they did do about it is they went ahead and they put in some arborvitaes and thought, well, they love water, they're going to drink up all the water, this is going to take care of the problem. Actually, it made it worse, because as the arborvitaes grew, it lifted the grade, which made it even harder for the water to drain out. So what we did is we put a French drain in, because they're going to get a brand new driveway, but they want to make sure that this next time around they don't experience the same things. And we want the cement guys to be able to break this driveway out, pour a new one and form it in, but we want to grab the water that's under the concrete as well. So there's a feeder channel of stone to our French drain system. Now, I'm going to show you one that's not filled in with stone yet. The water is just pouring out from underneath the driveway. And this was done yesterday, and water is still running out from underneath the driveway. So you can see that we have our 8-slot pipe that moves water really, really fast, really efficient. We have our coarse washed rock and fabric on the top. When you want your property drained and you want it done right, you need to call somebody that does yard dewatering professionally. Give us a call.